Everybody, happy Friday. This is Jeff Jones. I am with the Stream Machines YouTube channel where we have taken the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. And in this video, we are super excited because we have bought the We2U SAT P6 Mini stick. This is a companion with their K3 Plus device that I did a video not too long ago. I have been waiting and waiting for this device. Now I'm going to go right into it, and then I'm going to get down to the specs and all that good stuff of what makes this device, I think, one of something that we're very interested in reselling and all that good stuff. So as you can see, it is a stick, and we'll get down to the bottom, but some of the benefits that this does is here are some of the benefits and features that I believe that make this device one of the standout ones. So number one, the performance and storage. So unlike like Fire Sticks or devices that cut corners on maybe the memory, P6 Mini is built to handle a lot of multitasking and larger app libraries without lag, because these boxes come from China and they are full of great entertainment. But if you don't have enough memory, you're going to have a lot of lag. So this box or stick totes 4 gigabytes of RAM plus 64 gigabytes of storage. This is a very, very significant difference. It's higher than most of the competitors. They usually have 1 to 2 gigabytes and maybe 8 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of storage. So you can install dozens of apps, even games, without worrying about any low storage message. Another thing is it totes the M-Logic S905 Y4 processor. What that means, when I looked it up, it's snappy. It's a quad core. It's just going to run a lot faster. One of the biggest benefits, it's running Android 14. That means it's running on the latest Android TV operating system and offering a modern interface. So let me go down here so you can see really what it looks like at the bottom. There's the remote, and there it is right there. You'll also notice that it has, the second thing is the visuals and the audio. For the home theater enthusiasts, that means if you have a home theater surround sound, this thing has high fidelity experience. It means it has 4K HDR, 60 frames per second. It supports crisp 4K resolution and even HDR10. AV1 decoding uses the latest video codec, which allows you to run higher quality streaming with less bandwidth. Lastly, it uses Dolby Atmos and DTS Auto, which is really amazing. Now, the third reason I absolutely love this device, which after we do this intro, we're gonna hop on my screen capture and just set it up and fire it up, is the connectivity and portability. I'll say it again, the connectivity and portability. The Mini is in its name. It highlights the greatest asset. In other words, it's small enough to be behind the TV and it's small enough to take it with you. So it supports Wi-Fi 6 support, Bluetooth 5.0, and if you look here on the picture, it has an Ethernet port. I'm gonna say it again. This thing has an Ethernet port, which means it's gonna connect to Wi-Fi effortlessly. I have plugged this into my Ethernet and it is fire. And with Wi-Fi 6, I'm getting all the top speeds. So if you look at this Mini, this is what you get in the device: remote control, the Mini, plug in, the stick, all of that, a charging head. The warranty is a 1-year warranty. The remote is Bluetooth, and you can see, for those that are outdoor enthusiasts, come talk to me. If you have a RV, or you always on the go, come see me. Friends gathering, you can take it with you. It fits in your pocket. You could take it to your office or even bedroom. It runs anywhere and everywhere because of the connectivity of the Wi-Fi. So enough of this. Let's go ahead and move to the next part of the video where I'm going to set it up and we're going to see it's going to look just like its companion, but what a firecracker this is going to be. Let's get started. Okay. Well, we're going to continue on this. This is the journey of the We2U SAT or SAT stick called the P6 Mini. Now, in the beginning of the video, I was able to show you firsthand from their website what it looks like. And the exciting thing is it has an Ethernet port, which is really, really awesome. The other thing I'm gonna find out is I wanna see if it has a speed test. I don't wanna go to the Google Play Store, but it doesn't have a speed test here. I thought it did. Morpheus, they have Morpheus, that's old. Jeez. Okay, I thought it had a speed test, Android apps, DNS changer. I wanted to run a speed test on it, but I'll do it in the other video just because it has really good speed. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the settings, and I wanna go to device preferences. I wanna go to storage, really important storage. You can see that it has 4 gigabytes of memory, 64 gigabytes of expanded memory, okay, on the device. Plenty of memory, because when you have more memory, you can multitask on these devices, which means it's not gonna buffer. You're gonna be able to go into and out of menus very, very quickly. The one thing that it doesn't do, it doesn't allow you to get into developer options. These devices from China, they're already preset, so they run pretty well. Now, I always get questions about, should I have a VPN? Shouldn't I have a VPN? I usually, if I'm gonna run a box like this, I would invest in a VPN if you're planning on streaming. They're very inexpensive. Plus, I use PIA internet or VPN, and I can give you 30 days for free, and you can make up your mind whether you wanna purchase it or not, and they'll give me the 30 days back when you purchase. Now, you have 5 different apps. You have Mars Live, Mars Super TV, Mars VOD, Mars VOD Plus, Mars Backup. I'm gonna open up Mars Live, let it load up, and you gotta press OK while using the app. I'm gonna press the EPG, and at the top of the EPG, you have all of the different groups or headings from ABC Local, CBS Local, and right below the headings, you can find a lot of different things here as far as on the EPG. Very accurate, it gives you that feel that you know what's coming on and whatnot. You can also record on this. I heard that it's one button recording, which I'm gonna figure out how to do and do a video on, because you will use the memory that's in the stick. Because on the stick, you can get expanded memory, but you're supposed to be able to use the memory on the stick. What I love about this is the simplicity. This is made for those that are going to be on the road, and maybe they travel in an RV, or they take it where they want to go in their pocket. It's small enough to take on the road in a hotel, and it gives you exactly what you're looking for each and every time. Smart YouTube is a YouTube alternative. You do have Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. You're going to need to either have credentials for Netflix and Prime Video or whatnot, but YouTube, you should have a Gmail and you'll be good to go and be able to see that all the time. Now, another thing I love about this device is the homepage. Look at the simplicity of it. It reminds me of maybe Apple or whatnot. It's not a lot here because less is more. You even have this cleanup, so it'll clean the cache for you, and I think that's just a good tool to have. Again, the Google Play Store is there if you have a Gmail. I'm not going to connect mine. I did that in the other video, and I know it has more or just as big a speed as the box does. So this is the Wii2U SAT or SAT, and I think it's worth a lot. I really like the way it moves, like the way it does what it does. And it's just a really good stick that'll give you hours and hours of entertainment without any headaches whatsoever. Now it's asking me now, you can switch, this is good, you can upgrade to 1.67. That means that you can switch between the video streams and whatnot. It fixes you the issue, so I love that. I'm gonna do that later. It just shows you that they have over-the-air updates. The apps are going to run well, and the box is going to run well, or the stick. So I wanted to do this part of the video. I think it's worth doing. I don't need to go into any detail about what this is here. What you see here is what you get, and it plays very well. Now, if you're interested in this, I'm going to be selling the box, the K3 Plus, and this individually, but maybe even as a bundle, where you can get the box for your home, or even this stick for on the road, or vice versa, or individually. You'll be able to see the pricing on my website in the next maybe week or so. We're going to feature this. This is a great device, and I want to share it with as many people who follow the channel. Maybe you know someone who's interested, maybe a little older, they need it simple, and this will do exactly what it says it can do. But I'm super excited about this device because it is a stick with 64 gigs of expanded memory and an Ethernet port. Unheard of. Hey, thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I hope you have a great weekend. Take care. Peace.